All right, I'm back and we're solving by elimination. We have our last example to do. What I would suggest is you try doing this question on your own if you want to pause the video and then turn it back on and we can do it together and see if you got the same. All right, so I check. I have x term plus y term equals number, x term plus y term equals number. So these are both ready. Our linear system. I can see that I don't have the same coefficient for x's. I don't have the same coefficient for y's. And so I have to decide what I'm going to do. Either make both the x's the same or I'm going to make both the y's the same. I can see that in equation 2, if I just multiply this coefficient 2 by 2, I get 4. And then that will give me the same coefficient. So that's what I'm start with. So my equation 1 is 10x plus 4y equals -1. I'll just rewrite it because that doesn't need to be changed. And then I have to do 2 times equation 2. So every term has to be multiplied by 2. 8x becomes 16x. And we know 2 times -2 is a -4y. And then 2 times 7 is 14. There's my equation 2. All right, from here we have to decide whether we're going to add or subtract. So let's go ahead and we'll highlight the coefficients that we're looking at to help us decide. I can see we have opposite signs. If we have opposite signs, then we know that it's going to be adding. So equation 1 plus equation 2 is what we'll be doing in order to eliminate the y's. So let's go ahead and do that. So 10 minus 16, oh, why did I just say minus? I apologize. 10 plus 16 is 26x. 4 plus a -4 is going to be our 0y. And then -1 plus 14 is 13. Okay, the 0y is gone. So we're going to go ahead and divide both sides by 26. So x equals 1/2. And that is our x value of our POI. Okay, let's go ahead and find our y value by subbing into either of the equations. How about we sub into equation 2 this time? Oh, I forgot to say what we're subbing in. Okay, so let's go ahead and write that down. Sub x equals 1/2 in 2. All right, so it's 8 times x, so that'll become 8 times 1/2 minus 2y equals 7. 8 times 1/2 we know gives us 4. And we can show that by putting 8 over 1. 8 times 1 is 8. 1 times 2 is 2. Minus 2y equals 7. 8 divided by 2 is 4. Minus 2y equals 7, right? As we said from the beginning, 8 times 1/2 is 4. We'll leave the -2y. And it'll be 7 minus 4. So -2y equals 3, and then we'll divide both sides by -2. So we have y equals -3 over 2. And we'll go ahead and put that in our POI. And we're done. That's our last example. I'll just scroll this down in case you need to see that bottom part. I did it pretty fast. Okay, hopefully that helped you understand how to solve a linear system by elimination. Have a great day.